Welcome back, YouTube. I'm in the house, and I just got a package dropped off from Summit Racing. I ordered some stuff for the 6-liter, and the rest of the stuff should be coming in tomorrow, Saturday. Should be coming in tomorrow, which will be the bearings and the gaskets. But this right here, I just started to crack it open. I didn't even look at it yet, so we're going to look at this together. But this should be my pistons and my oil pan. And I went with the Holley oil pan because I gotta have good parts, and I have to be able to clear the factory K-member on that Camaro. So, ooh, what's all this stuff here? Magazines and books, and heck yeah. I went with those Wiseco forged pistons. So that's the only thing that's really gonna be forged on the inside of that engine. I'm going with stock rods and stock crank. I'm having it bored 30 thousandths over. Might eventually go to a set of forged rods and a crank, but I don't have very much in it, and we're just going to send it, because once the car's together, that's when we'll start building something else for it, something a little cooler. But I'm going to put you guys down, and then I'm going to pick up this box and open it up. All right. Oh, look at them. Look at them. Oh, man, this box ain't one. There we go. Each one of the sets of rings. It's all there. The keepers, wrist pins. Ooh, is that a sticker? Ooh, there's a couple of stickers. Some toolbox stickers. Heck yeah. I still don't have any Summit stickers. I didn't see any in there. They might be in those magazines. But so then right there. Pick one of these up out of here. Oh, it's all wrapped up. Don't really want to take it out of the package yet, but you can see them. Tell you what, they're pretty lightweight too. They're not real heavy. I've dealt with some of the forged pistons for like the small block Chevys, and I'll tell you what, those are a little bit bigger than the normal stock like 350 pistons, and those are like half the weight, less rotating mass. Tell you what, they also, right there, that's right where it's at, made in the USA. None of that made in China crap. I'll tell you what, the box ain't light either. Yep, the Pro True Street Wiseco forged racing pistons. And I don't know. Oh, yep, there we go. There's your part number on those. And then this right here should be the oil pan. Again, I'm gonna set you down. I'll tell you what, this oil pan, I think might weigh more than the pistons. Oh, look at that. Now there's what we're looking for. I'm going to assume this is the shield for the oil pickup. Oh, there's the oil pickup and all that good stuff in there. Heck yeah. Go ahead and back in there. So it all looks good. I really wish that block would have already been done, because we'd go out there and slap this thing on there. But I gotta wait until it's done. Poor dog back there. He's been sick. Just an old dog. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video right here, and I'll pick up tomorrow when the gaskets come in, if they do come in. I'm also gonna, well, you know, I'll just catch you guys here in a little bit, because I got to load up the block in the back of the Jeep, and I think I'm going to try to take it up to the machine shop today and see about getting that. I'm going to head out to the garage, one-man crew, so, you know, couldn't really film much, but got the engine up in the back. It was a bear. Easiest way I found to do it was I just left on the engine stand, wheeled it up, tilted it back on the back two wheels of the engine stand, and pushed her forward like a dolly, and then set her up in here to where the engine was, well, the engine block was holding up the entire weight of that engine stand. Unbolted it from the block, pulled it away, and then got up in the back of the Jeep and tussled around with it and pulled it right up inside here. And I was going to strap it down, but that thing weighs enough. I doubt it's going anywhere, and if it does, I have a whole nother one up on the hill, and then I already got my pistons back here as well. So we're ready to hit the road, go up to the machine shop, and I think I might spray this Jeep off, get all the pollen and crap off of it when I get back. But as of right now, I'll see you guys tomorrow when I get the gaskets, if they come in. Well, YouTube, it's gonna be one heck of a video, because some parts came in through FedEx today that I was not expecting. I think those are my bearings. I'll go over here and get a pair of scissors. And oh, well, there's a box knife. Got a little bit of bad news. I just came back from driving around and trying to get the engine into a machine shop, and it is Friday before Memorial Day, so didn't have too high hopes, but everywhere's closed. I didn't realize that everybody would be closed on, now I'm going to set this down. But I didn't realize that everyone would be closed on the Friday before Memorial Day. I mean, because Friday's not the holiday, so anyways, did not get the block into a machine shop, but hopefully next week sometime we'll, like, I left a message at 3 of them, well, all 3 of them. So let's see here. Yep, this looks like they're it. Male bearings. They should be the these are probably the connecting rod bearings. I'd say these here. Yep, there's the main bearings in there. So that means those are these here are probably my cam bearings.